Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we have a Moto G15 with a cracked display, and David is gonna be here with us to do the repair. So let's get right into it. Here we have the cracked display. The touchscreen is still working, but it's really in a bad shape, so it's not safe anymore if you're gonna use it on a daily, because it can cut your fingers with those sharp edges, and can also shards of glass can fall off the display. If you're using it upside when you're in the bed, you can fall right into your eye, which is kind of disastrous. So we remove the back cover, and this one is already opened, so it was easy for us to peel the back cover off and then remove this frame, reveal the connector for the battery and the display. So yeah, it was done for us. So we'll just go for the testing of the replacement display unit. Typically we spend a few minutes removing the back cover on our customer smartphones, but this one is quite eager to be repaired, or maybe the customer already opened this for us. But yeah, we have the replacement display unit, and the G15 is on the way to being fixed. The replacement display is good to go. Not really a problem. Touchscreen is working, color is immaculate, no dead pixels. Can even shut this phone properly now. Compared to what we started, the front display just needs to go. It's not really anymore safe. It's not anymore safe to be used on the daily. It's not even pleasing to the eye if you're watching videos or reading text messages. Not really good sign. I'm gonna remove the display connector by removing the battery, so we are already free to remove it from the front. We're gonna pry it off like what we would have done on the back cover. So we spray some alcohol, just enough to soften the adhesive, and then slice through the adhesive at the back of this broken display glass. David is wearing some thick gloves so he doesn't injure himself. It's quite sharp, still glass, so you have to be very careful. If you're gonna DIY this, if you're gonna attempt to do your own repairs, just make sure you're safe. And make sure you have the proper tools and the proper guides. So you do some research on what you have to do to disassemble a specific device, and start from there. So here we're just showcasing what we do for our clients in the shop. It's not really the official how-to video for Moto G15 screen replacement, but it's a good guide if you're trying to do this yourself. So we have our liquid adhesive applied on the frame itself. So this is where it's gonna be laid on, so just the right amount of adhesive on all sides and corners, so it will not fall off when you're using your smartphone. And also, if it's gonna be heating up while charging or use, this adhesive is strong enough to keep the display attached to the frame. Next, we install the display connector. It's kind of easy. Then make it lie flat on the back of the display. The battery here goes right back in. There you go. So we're almost done. We'll do some testing on the camera, touchscreen, all the buttons, Wi-Fi, the SIM reception, before we give it back to our client. And there you go. This is the connector for the fingerprint scanner. I'm gonna push that in. And we push it in on the sides. It's a gorgeous orange. This smartphone looks nice. With a brand new display, it's gonna look brand new again after this repair. So yeah, if you need a screen replacement for your iPhone, Samsung device, smartphone, smartwatch, or a Garmin, you can hit us up. We can source some parts for you, do the repairs, make a video out of it, and give you more savings. You don't have to buy another brand new smartphone. You just fix what you own, or what you already have, and save the planet in the process. So let's help each other. You save money, we do what's right for the planet, and you save your data because you don't have to chuck your precious smartphone or wipe out your photos that you haven't backed up yet, you know? So that's a win-win-win for everybody, you know? So we'll put back the last piece of this repair, the back cover, which is also pretty bright orange. I like this color. So there we have it. We'll show you the before and after. And as always, like and subscribe, guys. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Take care. Let's see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.